Komisi 10 DPR menyetujui naturalisasi 3 pesepak bola keturunan Emil Odero, Dian James, dan Joy Pelupessy. Keputusan Komisi 10 ini akan dibawa ke rapat paripurna DPR Kamis lusa. Rapat kerja Komisi 10 DPR RI menyetujui pemberian kewarganegaraan Indonesia untuk 3 pesepak bola keturunan. Ketiga pemain ini diharapkan dapat menambah daya gedor timnas Indonesia pada lanjutan ronde kualifikasi Piala Dunia 2026. Dian James dan Joy Pelupessy hadir secara virtual dalam rapat ini. Dian James saat ini memperkuat klub Liga Belanda Go Ahead Eagles. Sedangkan Joy Pelupessy kini bermain di klub kasta kedua Belgia Lommel SK. Sementara Emil Odero kini bermain di Palermo di Serie B Liga Italia.
National team on short term to reach the World Cup. And for me, it's the Indonesian is in my blood, and it's just an honor to play for the country.
Absolutely the same. It's a big honor to be part of the country, to be part of the national team, hopefully. And first of all, I want to say thank you for having us here to do a lot of work for us. I appreciate that a lot. That means a lot for me because, it's the country where my grandfather and grandmother were born. So, that gives me a really warm feeling. And all the things that are going to happen, it goes deep in my heart. So no, it's really special to hopefully to play for the national team soon. So that means a lot to me and also to my family.